So we are here. We have to start the main part of the story. What I am going to tell you is something that what happened 10 years ago. We did not have many people who knew English. So children here, Hosha Ali, you will get two things. One, 10 years ago or 10 years after. Fine. So in any place, note you will definitely notice difference within a decade. Okay. Now writer is saying before 10 years in Hoshahali village, not many people knew English. As you can see, it is written, we did not have many people who knew English. Then our village accountant was the first person who had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. It is different now. It is different now means this. Before 10 years, not many people knew English, but it is different now. Can you see the gap? If I ask you a question that for how many years Ranga had gone to Bangalore, you can say 10 years. For 10 years he had gone to Bangalore or he had been to Bangalore for study. There are many who knew English, mean to say now after 10 years, many people know English. Fine. Let's see what is written over here. During the holidays, you come across them every street talking in English. Those days we did not speak English. Again, older days, don't get confused. In old days, we did not speak English, but after 10 years, small children are found in the street, they in every street talking in English. See, children, if we and you people are there, if we speak, we use English words while speaking in Hindi also. Okay, so we use bilingual language. We are not using only Hindi or only English. So mixed language we are habitual to use in our day-to-day life. Next it is written, those days we did not speak in the, those means older days, we did not speak in English nor did we bring in English words while talking in our language. In Kannada, Kannada means here Kannada language. Okay, you can see. What has happened is a disgraceful. Believe me, the other day I was in Rama Rao's house. Children, write a name with you, another character, Rama Rao. Okay, he is the friend of the writer, Rama Rao. Okay, so here writer is telling you one funny things about his experience. He had told na they don't speak English before 10 years. He said one day I was in the Rama Rao's house when they bought a bundle of firewoods. Rama Rao's son came out to pay for it. He asked the woman who was there to sell the firewoods, that child, meant to say son of Rama Rao, said that how much should I give you? She said 4 pice or 4 paisa. She said the boy told her he did not have a change. Children, focus on this word, change. Okay, that boy said, I don't have change. Fine. Asked her to come the next morning. Change word. What is the meaning of the boy with this word change? Here he was not going to change the clothes or change anything. Here he was talking about the loose money, means coins. So when that lady, the poor woman, did not understand the English word change and went away muttering to herself in angry mood. Okay, I too did not know the meaning of change. That change word can be used for the money wise also. That's why Shyama, our writer, is telling to us, I did not know also the meaning of the change. Later on, I understood it, what it meant. Okay, this priceless commodity, the English language was not so widespread in our village a decade ago. Decade means 10 years. One decade is equal to 10 years. I told you in the Discovering Truth lesson also this thing. Okay, children, the rest will continue tomorrow. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Who was Ranga? Tell me, try. I'm asking you questions. Who was Ranga? Somebody try. You must have written this question with you. Ranga. Yes. Ranga was the son of the village accountant. Okay. Anybody else try? Arpit, will you try? Arpit, will you try? Bhargav? Ranga was the son of the village accountant. Now Karthik will tell me where he had gone to study and for how many years he stayed there. Karthik will tell. Karthik, are you hearing? No, Karthik is not around, I think. Khushi, Mayank,